Shein 1000 free shopping? Is it real or a dangerous scam targeting you right now? Have you ever seen a video claiming you can get $1,000 worth of free shopping on Shein? It sounds amazing, and that's exactly why so many people click on it. But before you try it, it's important to know what's really going on. The truth is that some Shein promotions are real, but many videos online are misleading. They often make it seem like anyone can get free shopping instantly, but they leave out important details like the rules, eligibility requirements, or limited availability. You should also be careful with links that ask you to log in, enter personal information, or provide payment details. If the website isn't the official Shein app or website, it could be a scam designed to steal your account or your personal information. A good rule is to always check where the offer is coming from. If it's an official promotion, you'll usually find it directly in the Shein app or on the official website, along with clear terms and conditions. If you simply want to save money, there are safer options. You can use official coupons, reward points, flash sales, and seasonal discounts. These are real offers that don't require risky trick or suspicious websites. So, is the $1,000 free shopping offer real or a scam? The answer is that it depends. Some promotions are legitimate, but many online claims are completely fake. Before you click, take a few minutes to verify the offer. It could save you time, protect your account, and help you avoid becoming the next scam victim.